Okay, so in ternary mixture separation, next mixture we will take solid, liquid, liquid. Okay, so in that one, in last lecture we have seen solid, solid, solid separation. In that one solid it was ether insoluble and two solids were ether soluble. Okay, so now we will see now solid plus liquid. In that one, uh, not even single component is ether insoluble, all are ether soluble. Okay, so here I have given solid plus solid plus solid, solid plus liquid. Okay, in that one is acid, one is phenol, and one is base. Okay, phenol and base they are liquid. Okay, so these two liquid plus liquid is phenol and base, they are liquid, and both are non-volatile. Okay, so pay attention, both are non-volatile. So this is very important actually, that whether your liquid is volatile or non-volatile. So that will be the first question is arising. So in this case I have taken both are non-volatile liquids, and acid I have taken, that one is ether soluble acid. Okay, so and all three components, all whether these two liquids and this solid, all are ether soluble. So here I have written all are ether soluble, and nature I have written acid is solid, phenol is liquid, and base is also liquid. So we will see now how to do separation of these three component which are totally ether soluble. Okay, so ether soluble component. So what to do for ether soluble component and for semi solid? Semi solid means either one solid two liquid or one liquid two solid, that we can call semi solid. Okay, so first we have to go for the nature of the mixture. Okay, so actually here I am explaining that I have considered, okay, I have given this one, but whenever you are conducting mixture separation at laboratory level, that at that time you don't know which liquids or which mixture we have given you. So you have to start from the start, beginning. That means, okay, what is the nature, that means you have to identify by yourself. Okay, so this one only I am giving you zoom by okay, for example, that okay, this mixture I am taking, and you have to separate in that way. But in the laboratory it won't happen, you have to identify everything on yourself. So for what first thing you will identify if you will get mixture in your hand. Okay, so if I will give you only test tube, and everything you have to do by yourself with that mixture. Okay, so first point, what you will do with that mixture, so nature of mixture. So you have to write here, you have to make column test observation inferences, you have to make column and you have to write what is the nature of mixture. Okay, for that one, what is the test? Take 3 to 4 drops of mixture on dry watch glass and how blow with mouth. Okay, so whether that means whether that one is liquid solid, then you will identify very easily. And if this is solid liquid, okay, so that one is liquid also you will identify. So if solid is of 10, okay, so the component present is solid liquid. Okay, so here is it's little bit confusing. If solid plus liquid is there, then also it's showing semi solid. If solid liquid is also there, then also you can see by your naked eyes that this mixture is semi solid. So right here your mixture is solid liquid. Okay, so for example, so next test what you will do, you have to next, as liquid is in your mixture is present, then definitely next test must be the liquid volatility test. Okay, so whether given liquid is volatile or no, that you have to first check out. Okay, so how will you carry out the volatility test? Okay, so volatility test, for a test, what you will do, you will take 4 to 5 drops of mixture in a sodium fusion tube. Okay, so you will take some mixture in sodium fusion tube and insert seal capillary in it. Okay, and you have to hold this capillary in electric water bath. Okay, so you are banned to use in laboratory the gas, okay, burners. You cannot use burners to do any these things, to heat water and everything. We have to avoid burners in the laboratory when you are conducting ternary mixture separation. So at that time you have to use all electric equipments to make all these things. So here you are going to take water bath. On that water bath you have to take you have to hold your fusion tube which contains your mixture, and you have to observe for 5, you have to keep this you have to hold this capillary sorry fusion tube for 1 or 1.5 minutes, and you have to see whether your bubbles are coming through that sealed fusion tube or no. Sorry, in that fusion tube or no. Okay, if bubbles are coming, then your mixture contains volatile component. If bubbles are not coming, then your mixture is non-volatile component. Mixture possesses non-volatile component. So in this mixture, we don't get a stream of bubble, so that's why the compounds are non-volatile. Okay, so volatility test results you have to write in this way: conclusion, the given mixture contains non-volatile compound or components. You can write. Okay, after now we have finished volatility. Now we have to go for solubility, ether solubility test. Okay, so ether solubility is very compulsory, and solubility test, for that one again you have to take a little bit amount of mixture in test tube, and you have to add uh, a small amount of ether, and we have to shake out this one. After shaking, we got here homogeneous solution. Okay, if you don't get homogeneous solution right there, all components are not soluble. Okay, that's why the mixture is that's why ether is insoluble in ether, completely insoluble in ether. But here in this case, in this mixture, what I am giving here, acid phenol base, so that one is homogeneous solution we are getting in ether. So that's why I will write here mixture is completely soluble in ether. That's why the all three components are ether soluble. Okay, so here you got up to now volatility test. Your mixture doesn't contain any no volatile soluble volatile component. Your mixture doesn't contain any ether insoluble component. So we will go for now type determination. Okay, so type determination, all are ether soluble, so type determination is easy now. So all are ether soluble, so we will go our routine method. So take 1 gram or 1 ml of ternary mixture. Okay, and add 2 to 3 ml of ether. Okay, and after ether addition, everything you have to take into the separating funnel. Here I uh, by mistake I have written here this. Okay, so here what you have to write, ether in separating funnel, not pasture pipette. Okay, so just ignore this one, pasture pipette. Take this tumbler mixture in separating funnel, add 2 to 3 ml of ether. Okay, shake it well, and that means everything will get dissolved in ether, and after that you will add 10% sodium bicarbonate. So one by one we will go for testing for acid, phenol, and base and neutral. Okay, we'll see now how to do all these things one by one.